Hello traders, this is a technical analysis video for Enjin coin ticker ENJ. Let's begin with the things that I like about Enjin. I like the fact that now the most pertinent support is 25 cents and not 24 cents. Yes, it's just 1 cent, but it does show that investors are getting impatient at that level, at the 25-cent level, and they are willing to buy, meaning they are willing to take a risk on Enjin. Whether it's small or big, it doesn't matter. It means that the demand is there. Second fact that I like about Enjin is that its correlation to Bitcoin is currently at the zero level, meaning it is acting independently of Bitcoin. Now, the question before us is this. Are we in a range now? Is Enjin consolidating in this range between 25 and 33? And is it going to range now up, down, up, down? If it's a range, it's fine because trading a range is easy. You buy at the range low and you sell at the range high. Or are we looking at a breakout scenario, second possibility, that it's going to 33 cents, maybe it will pull back a little and break out. This is the most optimistic scenario. I think it has a fair chance of breaking out. Sometimes when I'm looking for a breakout, I draw resistance lines both for price and for RSI. And usually the RSI breaks out before price. And you can see that on November 23rd or even 22nd, the RSI line broke out, and now it also broke the resistance line or the downtrend line. It's not exactly resistance, so it's looking good. Now, from a practical standpoint, from a trader's perspective, the time to take a long on Enjin was on November 22nd, when it hit the 25-cent level, and you saw a very nice reaction. And if you had taken a long on Enjin on November 22nd, you were in profit now, and you could just chill. To take a long position on an asset when it's above the 50% of the range is not a good practice, in my opinion. I admit that I think there is a possibility that it will break out. But I don't take longs above the 50% of the range, and the possibility that it is a range also exists. So if you were really interested in buying Enjin, I already told you in the previous video that Enjin is in an accumulation range, and I would, if I was interested in a spot position, I would have bought wherever. I wouldn't necessarily try to catch the lowest price. If you are looking for a futures trade on Enjin, now is not the time. The best opportunity for a trade right now is either if Enjin pulls back to 25, or to take it as a breakout point, as a breakout trade. And if you are watching my videos, you already know that I don't trade breakouts because the possibility of failure is greater than buying pullbacks. So I don't do breakouts, but it's a possibility. If you want to trade it as a breakout trade, you need to watch and wait for Enjin to break above, test the 33 level as support, and if it gets above the previous high, then this is where you get in on a breakout trade. But the chances, there is nothing definite on the chart that tells me yes, Enjin is going to break out. Nothing. So At the moment, it's just sit and wait for me. But if you are already on a long from 25 cents, then I wouldn't close the deal. Maybe I would take some profit at 33 cents because you can never know, but I wouldn't close the trade at 33 cents. I would give it a chance to break out because it looks possible. That's all I have for you on Enjin. I hope it helps, and I will see you in the next video.